class 12. Now today we will continue exercise 7.4 integral calculus chapter number 7 part 2. So till question number 8 we already have done. Now today we will start from question number 9. So in question number 9, exercise 7.4. Question number 9. Question 9 is sec square x by root under tan square x plus 4. Okay, now here first we will write in integration form. I equals to integration of sec square x divided by tan square x plus 4 inside the root dx. Now here if you put tan x as substituent, you will get the differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So let tan x equals to t. Now differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Now again we have to differentiate x. So dx by dt equals to 1, because the differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. Sec square x dx equals to dt. Therefore integration of sec square x by root under tan square x plus 4 dx equals to integration sec square x dx is dt. Sec square x dx is dt. So it is dt 1 by, now root under tan square x. Tan x is t, because of square there is t square, plus 4 is 2 square. Now what is the formula of integration of 1 by root under x square plus a square dx is log x plus root under x square plus a square plus c. So this equals to log x is t plus root under t square plus 2 square plus c. So instead of t we will write tan x. It is tan x plus root under, here it is t square, so it is tan square x plus 2 square is 4 plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 9. Now next question number 10. Okay, question number 10 is 1 by root under x square plus 2x plus 2. So first we will write in integration form. So integration of 1 by root under x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. Now first make it into particular form or standard form by using the method of completing the square. So completing the square, we have to make it into a plus b whole square. This is a plus b whole square. Now find out b. 1 by root over, so a square plus 2 into a into what is b. If you multiply b with 2, you will get 2x. So b is 1 plus b square. For balancing we will put minus 1 square, then last one is 2 dx. This equals to integration of 1 by root over, now this is the formula of a plus b whole cube. A square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole cube. So we'll write here a plus b whole cube plus minus 1 square is 1, 2 minus 1 is plus 1 dx. Now this equals to integration of 1 by root over x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square dx. Now again we'll apply the same formula. 1 by root under x square plus a square dx is log x plus root under x square plus a square plus c. So it is in the form of x square plus a square. 1 by root under, this is x square plus a square. So it is the integration of this function is log, it is x plus 1 here plus root under x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square plus c. Log, here it is x plus 1 plus, now if you simplify it, you'll get the initial expression a plus b whole square. So look here, so a plus b whole square is a square. First expand it, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square plus 1 square. So x square plus 2x into 1 is 2x plus 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So you will get this same expression. So we can write here integration of, integration under root x square plus 2x plus 2 plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 10. Now next is question number 11. Okay, question number 11 is 1 by 9x square plus 6x plus 5. Now before going to apply the completing the square, first we have to remove the coefficient of x square. So in solution, first we will write integration of 1 by 9x square plus 6x plus 5 dx integration of 1 by, now take common 9 is common, here it is x square plus 6 by 9x plus 5 by 9 dx. If you multiply this expression by 9, you will get same number. 9 into x square is 9x square. Here 9 into 6 by 9 is 9 cancel, I get 6x square, 6x. So 9 into 5 by 9 is 5. Okay, now we can take outside 1 by 9. Integration of 1 by x square plus 6 by 9 is, it is 2 by 3 x plus 5 by 9 dx. So this equals to 1 by 9. Now apply the completing square. 1 by, first make it into a plus b whole square. A square plus 2 into a. If you multiply b with 2, you will get 2 by 3. So it is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. 2 into 1 is 2 by 3 into x plus b square means it is 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 3 square plus 5 by 4 dx. So this equals to 1 by 9. Integration 1 by a square plus 2ab plus b square is up to this. It is a plus b whole square, a plus 1 by 3, x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus it is 1 by 9 plus 5 by 9 dx. This equals to 1 by 9 integration 1 by, so it is x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus, not minus, plus it is. Now 9 is LCM, so 5 minus 1 is 4 plus 4 by 9. Why plus 4 by 9? Because before the bigger sign there is plus, bigger sign is plus, and this sign, the bigger number is positive, smaller number is negative, so that's why it is plus 4 by 9. So dx, this equals to 1 by 9 integration of 1 by x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus it is 2 by 3 whole square dx. We know that the formula of integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So it is in the form of x square plus a square. This equals to 1 by 9 into 1 by a is 1 by 2 by 3 tan inverse x is x plus 1 by 3, a is 2 by 3 plus c. Now simplify it, 1 by 9 into 3 by 2 tan inverse. Now LCM is 3x plus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 3 plus c. Now we can put denominator 313, 339. So this equals to 1 by 6 tan inverse 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 11. Okay, move to question number 12. Okay, question number 12 is 1 by 7 root under 7 minus 6x minus x square. So first we'll write in integration solution. Integration of 1 by root under 7 minus 6x minus x square dx. Now rearrange into order. So here it is minus x square minus 6x plus 7 inside the root dx. So this equals to integration of 1 by root under, now take minus common, minus x square plus 6x minus 7 dx. Now apply the completing the square method. So root under, it is minus here. Now we have to make it into a plus b whole cube whole square, a plus b whole square. So for a plus b whole square, a square plus 2 into a into b is how much? 3, because 2 into 3 is 6 plus b square minus b square minus 7 dx. This equals to integration of 1 by root over minus is here. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square, x plus 3 whole square, minus this is 9 minus 7 dx. This equals to integration of 1 by root over here it is minus x plus 3 whole square minus 16 dx. This equals to integration of 1 by root over, now multiply with sign, minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. First we will write plus sign 16, so plus minus into plus is minus x plus 3 whole square dx. Now what is the square root of 16? It is 4. 4 square is 16. 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square dx. We know that the integration of 1 by root under a square minus x square dx is sine inverse x by a plus c. Sine inverse x by a plus c. Okay. This equals to sine inverse x is x plus 3, a is 4 plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 12. Okay. This was for today. Thank you.